The cigarette lighter port in my 2015 C300 has not worked since I bought it. Even though the light is on, it's not functional at the moment. And when I plug in this accessory, I can tell it's not working because the red LED on the front doesn't light up. The most likely problem is a blown fuse, and I'll show you how to easily replace it. The fuse for this cigarette lighter is located in the trunk. The first thing to do is lift and prop up the main panel. And I'll find the fuse box on the right side of the compartment. I need to replace fuse number 446, which is a 15 amp fuse. To take it out, press the tiny locking tab to the side. Then use pliers or a fuse tool to pull it out. Okay, the casing on this fuse isn't very clear, but I can definitely tell it's been blown because of the severed element in the middle. The good thing is that I have plenty of spare fuses in this fuse kit, and I'll list this in the description so it's easy for you to find. Now I'll just plug it into slot number 446 and my cigarette lighter port should be working again. Here I'll just do a quick test to be sure. And yeah, the red LED is lighting up, which means the port is now working again. This is a quick 2-minute job that I believe anyone can do. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.